The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for Wilkes County in eastern Georgia until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:55 a.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Rail, moving northeast at 31 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Rail, Tignall, Washington. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest level of your home or place of business. Make sure there are as many walls between you and the outside as possible. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Threats with the storm include a tornado softball-sized hail, winds through 75 miles per hour, and flooding rainfall through 3 inches an hour. Repeating, a tornado warning is in effect until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Wilkes County, Georgia.